Damage to host is caused by the release of toxins that can be exotoxin or endotoxin. Endotoxins stimulate macrophages to produce cytokines such as interleukin 1 and tumor necrosis factor that cause fever and shock. Exotoxins are the bacterial toxins that can cause local or distant damage. They are usually proteins and may have a subunit structure. For example, cholera has two subunits. The toxin B subunit binds to the epithelial cells, and the toxin A subunit activates adenylyl cyclase, which result in the sodium and chloride efflux from the cell, thus causing diarrhea. Staphylococcal enterotoxins. They act as superantigens, causing non-specific activation of T cells that have compatible variable region structure, which result in intense cytokine production, leading to the fever, shock, gastrointestinal disturbance, and rash. Diphtheria toxin and Pseudomonas aeruginosa exotoxin. The type A stops the protein production by blocking elongation of the protein. Clostridial toxin interfere with the neurological or neuromuscular signaling, causing the tetanus and botulism. In many case studies, antibody to the toxin ameliorates the physiological effect of the disease and is therefore protective. So that was all about the pathogenicity of infectious disease. Hope you are now well versed with the topic. For more lectures, stay tuned to sqadia.com.